Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to share this shopping vlog with you. I'm also excited to say that this video is in collaboration with Squarespace, an all-in-one platform to create a beautiful website.
Summer has begun and we are fine.
So I'm just gonna zoom in here so you guys can get a little bit of eye candy before I go in. Love the boy bag, so pretty, all of these gorgeous colors. And then before I take you in, I'm going to quickly share with you the window display. This is their new 22 bag. Not a fan of it. I know people like it, but yeah, I just don't think it's anything special. But let me know what you think. I'm always open to everyone's opinions. Got some gorgeous jewelry. I'm excited to take you guys inside. And ooh, look at those heels. Really interesting heel. All right, so let me zoom out and let's head in. I'm probably gonna start with some shoes, and then we're gonna look at all of the handbags. So can't wait to show you everything, you guys. Personally, I love these pastel colors. The dad sandals are definitely growing on me, and I think these are just such a fun spring shoe. And then these with the pearls. I love everything with pearls, especially when it comes to Chanel shoes. They're just so pretty. And I also love these. I feel like they'd be super comfortable. Love the big champagne gold CCs on it. And then over here in these metallic silver, again, these are so pretty with the chain detail. I love all of the details. And you can also see that vanity case in the back. I love that as well. Very fun for spring, summer. And then these ones, they've got a bit of a platform. Love the Chanel on the back. And again, the colorway is just perfect for this time of year. I love the pink and white. And then these gold ones, I love the details on them. So you'll see that the CCs, they have these star details. I love little things like that. I feel like it makes it so much more special, and I love the gold. And then over here is another gold sandal. I love the heel height on these. And then the gem details are so pretty. These are from their newest collection. And I just think the crystals are so pretty on it. Now this one of my favorite ones, I love the crystals with the little leather interwoven CCs. The color is so beautiful. It's like this great taupey nude color. It's like a perfect taupey nude in my opinion. I would say that this one is probably one of my favorite sandals that I saw this day, and I just feel like it'd be so comfortable, and it's just like, you know, a nice flat sandal, perfect for summer. Now over here is the most exciting thing I saw. So this is the new, I think it's called Rose Claire. You'll see the tag in a second, and I'm going to show you the exact name. It's in caviar. This is in the medium size. It's absolutely perfect. I couldn't believe they had this one available. So this one is from the 22S Act 2 collection, and here it is on the shoulder. I am going to show you what it looks like as well crossbody. I just love the way a classic flat looks crossbody. I am wearing it with a, well, I have a big blazer on underneath and this long trench. So imagine it just with a t-shirt. There, I'm showing you guys the tag. It is retailing for $11,050 Canadian, which is crazy. But yeah, this is like the perfect light baby pink. It almost reminds me of the Sakura color. So as I mentioned earlier, this video is in partnership with Squarespace, and I would honestly love so much if I inspired even just one person, let alone several of you guys watching, to start your passion project. Whether that's a fashion blog or selling your own line of jewelry, Squarespace lets you turn any idea into a business. Squarespace has all the tools to let you sell your products, whether you sell physical items or digital products. I've tried lots of different website builders, and in my experience, Squarespace has the easiest to use website website builder. They also have pre-built layouts and customizable templates, and also every website is optimized for mobile. Your content automatically adjusts so your website looks amazing on any device, whether that's your phone, computer, tablet. So head to squarespace.com/doublevanilla for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch your website, you can use my code doublevanilla to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code. So I'm just going to give you a tiny bit more eye candy of this bag. I'm going to share with you more of the shoes at Chanel. So these little yellow flats, I love the bright color. They're just like a fun, almost like a deeper mustardy yellow, but brighter. And then they also had them in denim. This one is really pretty. They also have, I'm going to show you in a little bit, they had a matching pair of denim and a matching ready-to-wear jean jacket. And then these ones with the glitter, these aren't really my style. I think they'd be fun for maybe a night out, a little comfy little heel. There's these ones with the tweed as well. And then they have this one with the, what would you say, like the hardware is the same color as this teal green. I guess it's a teal green. I love the loafers, but I'm just not a fan really of the hardware color. Let me know what you guys think. And then these ones are so pretty. So hopefully you guys can see, but there's like a metallic thread woven throughout. So they've got this shimmer and sparkle. Love these. They're so pretty. I do really like the flat version. And yeah, with the white toe cap, they're really nice. And then they have their classic mules with the pearl detail. Always love this with a little pearl detail. I think it's just something a little bit extra. And then these ones with a double pearl. These are very beautiful. They're the little bow detail with the crystals. I've been loving crystals lately. And then these I did show you earlier, but I'm going to show you them again because I filmed them twice. Now this is another pair that I feel would be so comfortable, so much fun. They're kind of that dad sandal, but a little bit more elegant. And what do you think of these? I think these are one of my favorite sandals as well. Of course, they have lots of their classic espadrilles. They have these espadrilles with the mule style. I wonder if these would be more comfortable. I have a pair of the Chanel espadrilles, and for me, they're not the most comfortable. They're just the classic ones, but the mule style might be better, obviously. And then there's this style. Again, these look like they'd be a lot more comfortable. I do like these, and they retail for $15.25. And they also come in pink. And then there's these terry cloth flip-flops. I wonder how those would wear because of the terry cloth. They're probably very comfortable. And then there's these satiny ones. They have all these beautiful colors, these jewel tones. And this color isn't really for me, but it's beautiful. I do love the royal blue, gorgeous. And then I'm gonna show you these sandals with the pearl CCs. Again, this is in the terry cloth, so I don't know how well it would wear. It's beautiful. I do love the shade of pink, but I think the leather version would probably be better. And yeah, they seem like a really nice sandal. I wonder how comfortable they would be, just because sometimes that style can kind of pinch your foot. But if anyone has them, let me know. These, again, very fun. These were so heavy. I couldn't believe it when I picked them up. So these are extremely heavy. They're an okay price point, $13.75 for Chanel. I love the blue tone, gorgeous. They also have them in the cream. It's like an off-white. Love this off-white tone. And yeah, they were just extremely heavy. And then there's these very seasonal, almost like a basket weave style. I love the very pale pink of these. They were from the 22P collection. I don't know if you guys are noticing as I show the prices, but they have a lot of sandals from all of their recent collections, not just their most current collection. So There's also these ones, not a fan of these. They're very sporty. They remind me actually of the new Dior collection, because Dior had a very sporty spring summer collection. They also have it in this orangey red color. Not a fan, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of those. There's the Vanity case, which I believe is from an older collection, but it's very fun. And then these, again, I am showing you these again. I just filmed them twice because they're so pretty. Same with these. I had shown them to you, but I filmed them again because I love those. They're gorgeous. And then there's these. I believe these are from their most recent collection. Let me know what you think of those ones. And then there's this interesting bag, and I couldn't find the price point on that, but there's also this beautiful ready-to-wear blazer, really gorgeous, love the buttons, and then this chain bag over here. Love the jewelry on this mannequin, the belt, and then this cute little bag over here. And then I am going to show you some of their denim ready-to-wear. So I showed you the matching shoes. This looks really pretty, like a nice cut. I think it would be very flattering. It does also come with the matching denim, which I'll show you in a minute. This sequin ready-to-wear piece, not really my style, but it's beautiful. The buttons on this is also absolutely gorgeous. And then here is the denim, and I think they're just like a really fun pair of denim with the Chanel logo everywhere. And then there's this little mini reissue. Love this size. It's gorgeous. It's like a nice corally pink color. This has a really interesting chain detail. And then I am going to show you a few more handbags. This is a Chanel Trendy wallet on chain. And I'm going to show you the little plaque. I do love the plaque detail. I feel like for any wallet on chain, the trendy style is my favorite one. And then this is the Gabrielle version. There is some little SLGs, and I am gonna next time try to show you guys more of the small leather goods. These are just classic wallet on chains, and this really pretty muted pink color. It's really nice. Really pretty bracelet. These blues are gorgeous. I really love the tone of the blues. Another wallet on chain and another little mini compact wallet. And then I did just want to show you the exterior before I head out of Chanel. Lots of gorgeous ballet flats. I love this turquoise blue color, perfect for spring. And they did still have a lot of boots, but because it's spring summer, I didn't really want to share too many of the boots. Love those long Chanel necklaces, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. It helps me out so much. Thank you to Squarespace. Make sure you check out that first link in my description box to sign up, and again, you can use my code DoubleVanilla for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.